Hello friends, this is me Amarendra Ghosh with you. Today I am going to share with you few organic chemistry books that you should keep with you for your graduation level. Now these books are sufficient for you to cover organic chemistry for university as well as competitive exams. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. The books that I'm going to share with you are totally based on my own experience. So any book that is not included in the list doesn't mean that it is not good. You know, there are lots of organic chemistry books in the market, and it is not possible to go through each of them. So those books that I have gone through and I own, that are going to be reviewed in this video from low to high order. That means from basics level to advanced level. To grow the basics in organic chemistry, I would first suggest you to go through this book by Sachin Kumar Ghosh that covers almost all basics, that is elementary thermodynamics, reaction kinetics, aromaticity, acid base, the factors that includes electron availability such as resonance, hyperconjugation, inductive effect, mesomeric effects, etc. And believe me, the language is very simple. So if you are a beginner and just appeared in the graduation level from any other medium such as Bengali medium to English medium, so it will really help you a lot in understanding the basics of organic chemistry. One of the most important part of organic chemistry is stereochemistry. For this I would love to suggest you this book by Subrata Sengupta. And similarly, the language is also very simple here, and if you want to learn it by your own, then it won't be a bad choice for me. There are also some books in stereochemistry such as P.Sc, Nasi Puri, but actually I haven't gone through them. So the Subrata Sengupta, which I used to study in my graduation level, have reviewed to you. Our next category is spectroscopy, the studying tool of molecules and atoms. So for this we have got Pavia, spectroscopy by Pavia. But if you are a beginner and don't know anything about spectroscopy, I would strongly recommend you to learn it from your teacher first, from your college teacher or tuition teacher. They can make you understand better than what you find it from a book. I had also the similar kind of problem that at first I grabbed the book Pavia and try to understand spectroscopy. You know, there are lots of spectroscopy in organic spectroscopy. UV visible spectroscopy is there, IR spectroscopy is there, NMR spectroscopy is there, mass spectroscopy is there, and everything. If you are a beginner and trying to understand it from a book, it will be quite difficult for you. So at first, please try to understand it from your teachers and then go through from book. It will help you a lot. Now, for which you all are waiting for, the name reaction and reaction mechanism part. For this we have got Nimai Tiwari, organic reaction mechanism by N Tiwari. The best thing about this book is everything is given in a question answer format. So while going through any paragraph, you have got an intent that why you are studying that paragraph. This is why it makes it so special. So the next book in this category is Organic Chemistry by Jonathan Clayton. If I say this is the best book in organic chemistry, so I won't be wrong, and it won't be a surprise for anyone, because if you go through this book, you will probably think that somebody is making you understand. The page quality is tremendous. If you see, the page quality of this book is tremendous, and the language is also very simple. So but if I talk about the price range, is very high, around above 2000 if I talk about in Indian rupees. So this is a matter of fact, but the book is really awesome. You can buy this book. Now the third book in this list is the modern methods of organic synthesis by William Caruthers. This is also a very good book, but it is a little bit advanced compared to B.Sc students. but I have seen a lot of students buy this book, go through this book. But believe me, if you buy this book in your master degree, it will be very great then. Now I have got next book is Peter Sykes. I really wondered that I had gone through this book while I was in B.Sc, because the language is very tough. You have to go through each line attentively, and I still remember that I have gone through elimination reaction from here, and I discovered why this book is so popular in terms of difficulty level. So that's all for reaction mechanism part, and for the heterocyclic and biomolecules part, I have got these two books. Second part of that is the second volume of N Theory, Advanced Organic Chemistry, and Advanced Organic Chemistry by Sachin Kumar Ghosh. These two books is for the heterocyclic and biomolecule part. Now you might think that it's not possible to buy all these books just for one paper, just for organic chemistry. But believe me, our family financial condition was also not so good, but I didn't take any tuition at first for organic chemistry, and I used to buy each month a book from my savings. So that's all I had to share with you. Now it's up to you what you decide. Thanks a lot for watching, and please make sure that you share this video to your friends and family members. That's all for today. Thank you.